Demonstration on the 3D bath bomb mold from the Maker Shop. This one is the 3.5-inch Hexagon, and it consists of a bottom plate, an outer shell, and a top plunger. We're going to start by taking our outer shell and placing it on top of our bottom plate, and just start filling. You can make this as thick or as skinny as you'd like, depending on however much bath bomb mix you want to place inside of your mold. I'm going to go about halfway, giving shakes in between to ensure that the bath bomb mix gets settled down into all the cracks and crevices. Now we're going to take our top plunger and we're going to put that right inside of our mold and start pressing. Giving it a turn. Every time we press, we're going to turn. And that's going to ensure uniformity all the way around as we're pressing. Go ahead and take your spoon and give some taps around the outer shell. You can go ahead and give some taps on the top plunger. And now we're just going to turn the entire thing over. We're going to lift that bottom plate straight up. And we're going to put our fingers underneath and we're going to push up on that plunger, straight up. You can go ahead and brush off some of the excess that got caught in between the outer shell. Grab your cardboard, place it on top, and turn the whole thing over. And now you're going to lift straight up with that plunger. And there you have a beautiful Hexagon, a 3.5-inch Hexagon bath bomb mold from the Maker Shop. I'm going to go ahead and put a link down below to the Maker Shop's website as well as their Etsy shop so that you can purchase this or any other mold that you choose from them. Thanks for watching.